Hi, it's me, Greg Shapiro, the voice of that viral video.
Can we just say the Netherlands second?
And it's true. For 4 years, I was nice and busy, saying things like,
you can ride them, you can date them, you can grab them by the pony. It's fantastic.
But now, I have all these people asking, don't you hope Donald Trump will return to the White House? And I have to answer in the immortal words of Mark Rutte, no. In fact, I've written a whole show about leaving Trumpland called Leaving Trumpland. Critics call it sharp satire of Trump's America, razor-sharp humor with a personal touch, and a very sharp and dangerous edge. Leaving Trumpland 2.0, a U.S. election survival guide. Get your tickets now, otherwise we'll be stuck again listening to this guy talking about
the hugest greatness of America. Thank you, and God bless me. Thank you.